Right, here we go. Had a bit of a break. I was getting knackered. So here's what I've been doing. So the pole was slipping. So what I've done, I took out all the sections and marked on it, not the bottom one. On the bottom one I put some insulation tape. I think that's just good to stop the water running down the pipe, or the mast. And then I've nabbed one of the juberliee clips with the rubber on to put on the join there, so that should keep the mast up. Done that all along. Same here. Yeah, I scribbled on it. There we go. But there I can see it's scribbled when I'm taking it out. Stop. And I put a juberliee clip on there. Nice bit of a piping over the juberliee clip to give it some grip, so it's just not metal on metal. Give it some traction. And that there, so there's the first guiding point. I guess how long that is, 2, maybe? I don't know, maybe I should measure this, that'd be a good idea. Anyway, there's a second guiding pipe. Again, done the same, so I've drawn where the connection goes into about here. So there's enough pipe to move onto. Done the same, written on it, stop, and then put a bit of insulation tape, and then put my mount on there. But yeah, that will keep that on there nice and secure, and hopefully it will stop the mast from collapsing downwards. So yeah, that's screwed in there quite tight now. And similarly, there's the top section, and same here. A bit more insulation tape going over this joint to get it smaller. And the same, pipe goes to about down here. Put the line section on, and here's the final one. So you can see already this is already popped out. So this is actually holding it. I don't know whether I'm going to put a guiding rope on this top section. It will have the it will have the what do you call it? It'll have the dipole feed line going up here. So yeah, that'll be going on there. Yeah, I mean, it's coming along nicely. Lowering the length of it is certainly a really good size mast. So the next thing for me to do is to get it up in the air really, and get that section guide off. So going to open the new pack of rope. So yeah, put that on, do it the old-fashioned way. My method for doing this. So I know you can calculate it. So yeah, basically using use a Pythagorean theorem you can use to work out how long the rope should be. I've done it before and I never get it right, so I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way. Put it up and cut it. I don't mind doing it 3 times. It's fine by me, because then I know it's good. So yeah. So it's getting there. Rope's mast construction is going well. I've had a bit of a break, as I say. Was getting knackered. I've got to take it easy. So next step is get this little rascal up and with this guide. So yeah, and then we can see how we do for time, how we do for weather. It's a real mixed bag, as you can see. Grey clouds, but sunshine. It's generally quite nice down here. Quite nice cool breeze. Not too windy, but windy enough, as you can see from the anemometer, is that how you pronounce it, on my weather machine. It's moving around quite nicely, telling us the wind speed. Hopefully the rain measurement tool won't get used. But there we go. But yeah, here we go. That's progress so far. Going well, and let's try and get this little rascal vertical and guide up and see that she's good before putting the actual dipole on.